Welcome to MarineMax in Jacksonville. My name's Larry Vogt, and today we're going to go over this beautiful 380 Outrage from Boston Whaler. This is a hardcore fishing boat, great boat to cruise to the Bahamas, and you can overnight in this boat comfortably as well. We're going to start at the back from the power plant and work our way forward. This boat is powered by a triple 400 horsepower Mercury engines, complete with joystick piloting. The joystick piloting includes skyhook, which is a virtual anchor. The engines will hold the boat in place. It also has a built-in autopilot. So it's great features, very convenient. And one of my favorite features is flushing the engines with the push of a button. So if you keep this boat in a boat lift or in the water, you're not having to go to each engine individually to flush the system. It's going to do it automatically for you. Very innovative feature. Starting in the back, we've got a tournament size divided livewell. Keep all your live bait, blue runners, goggle eyes going. We've got some great seating back here with this teak covered backrest, which forms a table, and then a very comfortable seat to sit and watch your lines as you're trolling or just hanging out catching some rays. We've got a rear bench here that folds down, a side dive door over here for great times at the sandbar, especially if you're a diver. There's a dive ladder that stores right below. As we move forward, we're going to check out some neat features at the bow. Before we get there, we've got these built-in trolling seats. Keep you in the shade of the T-top, an extra place to sit. You can see the high-quality hinges that hold these seats up and fold and get right out of the way. Coming up here to the bow, you'll notice this giant lounge seat, which is extremely comfortable. Got power for your electronics devices, and then we're going to look at the storage underneath. Dive tank storage, cooler storage for your gear, shore power cords, tons of room down here. Some really neat seating up front with integrated backrests that you do not have to store. They just lay right down when you're not using them. Got a power table here that will lower and raise with the push of a button. You've also got stereo controls up here at the bow if you're all hanging out up here and want to change your music. Now we're going to take a walk around the boat, take a look at the helm, and see what other neat features this boat has. So the 380 Outrage comes complete with a diesel generator, and this boat has Seakeeper, which is a stabilization system. Keep you from rocking side to side when you're out in the ocean on those rough days. I'm standing on a helm platform here, which gives me some fantastic visibility, 360 degrees. I can stand here in the air conditioning that we have here at the helm, and obviously down below in the cabin, which we'll get to. This system has two 16-inch Great Marine Axiom Pros. We've also got a VHF radio, our Seakeeper controls, Mercury gauges. We've also got a radar on this and open array if you're going to hunt birds, go tuna fishing. This boat has it all. Let's take a look down below real quick. You can see down below we've got a full berth. There's a stand-up head, sink, shower, all the accommodations for a great weekend on the water if you're going to overnight offshore or go to the Bahamas. So come give us a call at MarineMax at 904-338-9970. Look forward to seeing you.